This is Marcus Schreiner. He is a young electrical systems planner, still a greenhorn, who now needs to plan a control cabinet. He is using a standard CAE system for this, but it starts to get difficult even when mapping the terminal blocks. They are only shown as simple symbols, despite the large variety of terminal blocks available. It is not clear whether end and intermediate plates need to be set at the differently sized components or not. Marcus would have to get the extensive information he needs from catalogs, like his seasoned colleague Klaus often does. Of course, Marcus could also ask Klaus for advice. That's how we've always done it here. But what about when Klaus retires? The terminal blocks alone take up a great deal of time when planning the control cabinet, even though they are the least expensive components in the cabinet. But fortunately, there's the Smart Designer from Wago. Marcus can set up the rail mount terminal blocks directly in the program. He can specify which terminal blocks need to be common based on the links that he set in CAE. The Smart Designer applies these links and determines which jumpers can be used to best connect the terminal blocks with one another. Marcus can fall back on Wago's expertise and perform a plausibility check without having to first consult his colleague. And ultimately, the data is processed further in CAE, enabling the control cabinet to be completely planned, quickly, and on schedule. Even the marking information can be easily exported, without any extra work at all at the keyboard, just by selecting the required material. The markers can then be printed out directly at the printer using the Wago Smart Script marking software. Planning of a control cabinet can be so easy. Smart data solutions from Wago.